Python variables are the reserved memory locations used to store values within a Python program. This means that when you create a variable, you reserve some space in the memory. Every value needs some location, and by declaring a variable, you are securing that position for that value. An example of a variable in Python is a representational name that serves as a pointer to an object. Once an object is assigned to a variable, it can be referred to by that name. For example, x equal to 10. Here we have stored 10 in variable x. When we use this name, the stored value is accessed. There are certain rules which should be followed while naming a Python variable. Some of these are hard rules that must be followed, otherwise your program will not work. Others are known as conventions. This means they are more like suggestions. Variable names must start with a letter or underscore character. Variable names cannot start with a number or any special character like dollar, percent, star, etc. Variable names can only contain letters, numbers, and underscore. Variable names cannot contain spaces or special characters. Python reserved keywords cannot be used as variable names. Python reserves a small set of keywords that designate special language functionality. You can get the list of reserved keywords by using help keywords. In Python, there are several conventions for naming multi-word variables. Snake case. All lowercase letters with words separated by underscore. Camel case. The first word is lowercase and each subsequent word starts with an uppercase letter. Pascal case. First letter of each word is uppercase. For variable names and function names, use snake case. For class names, use Pascal case. This helps maintain consistency and readability in your code. Python variables do not need explicit declaration to create a variable. This is possible because Python is dynamically typed language. This means that the type of a variable can change during the execution of a program. Another feature of dynamic typing is that it is not necessary to explicitly declare the type of each variable, unlike other programming languages. Python automatically understands the type based on the data assigned to the variable. A Python variable is created automatically when you assign a value to it using the equal to operator. For example, x equal to 9. The operand to the left of the equal to operator is the name of the variable, and the operand to the right of the equal to operator is the value stored in the variable. X can be used in a statement or expression and its value will be substituted. Example, print x. Just as a literal value can be displayed directly from the interpreter prompt without the need for print, so can a variable. Variable types in Python. In many programming languages, variables are statically typed. That means a variable is initially declared to have a specific data type, and any value assigned to it during its lifetime must always have that type. Variables in Python are not subject to this restriction. In Python, a variable may be assigned a value of one type and then later reassigned a value of a different type. Python is a highly object-oriented language. Virtually every item of data in a Python program is an object of a specific type or class. Use the built-in type function to see that x points to an integer object. X equal to hello, assign hello to x. Now x points to a string object. Python variables can hold various data types including integers, floats, strings, booleans, tuples, and lists. This example creates different types of variables and prints them. Python variables work differently than variables in other languages. let's look at how variables work in Python compared to variables in C, C++. In C, C++, a variable is a named memory location. If A equal to 10 and B equal to 10, both are two different memory locations. Let us assume their memory address is 100 and 200 respectively. If a different value is assigned to A, say 50, the value 10 in the address 100 is overwritten. A Python variable refers to the object and not the memory location. An object is stored in memory only once. Multiple variables are really the multiple labels to the same object. Both A and B point to the same object. Statement A equal to 50 creates a new integer object 50 in the memory at some other location, leaving the object 10 referred to by B. Further, if you assign some other value to B, object 10 remains unreferred. Python's garbage collector mechanism releases the memory occupied by any unreferred object. We can prove this using the built-in function id. In Python, every object that is created is given a number that uniquely identifies it. id function is a built-in function that returns the unique identifier of an object. The identifier is an integer which represents the memory address of the object. The id function is commonly used to check if two variables or objects refer to the same memory location. For example, here A and C are assigned a value 10, B is assigned A, so B is also assigned a value 10. Then their id values are printed. Then B is assigned 20 and the id value is printed. All three variables have the same id values, confirming that they all point to the same object. Once B is reassigned to 20, it points to a different object with a different ID. Python also allows chained assignment, which makes it possible to assign the same value to several variables in a single statement. X equal to Y equal to Z equal to 900. The chained assignment assigns 900 to the variables x, y, and z simultaneously. Python allows to initialize multiple values in a single statement by using a comma-separated syntax. Comma-separated variable names on left and comma-separated values on the right of equal to operator. They can be of any type. A, B, C equal to 10, 20, 30. DEF equal to hello, 4, 5.5. For example, string, int, float, etc. Constants in Python. In Python, a constant is a type of variable whose value remains unchanged throughout the program. Python does not have built-in constant types, so the enforcement of the constant value relies on developer discipline. You can use naming conventions to indicate that a variable should be treated as a constant. Use uppercase letters to define a constant in Python, indicating it should not be changed. Here are some common practices for defining and using constants in Python. Module level constants. You can define constants at the top of the module. You can encapsulate constants within a class. To download practice Python file, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.